Nothing can stop your manifestation. Hello, beautiful soul. Welcome back to my channel. This is Priya, your manifestation coach. And in this video, we are going to shine some light on why nothing, absolutely nothing outside of you can stop your manifestation. But first, if you would like to get coached by me, I offer an online course, Manifest Your SP Mastery. This is where I show you step by step exactly how to manifest the version of your specific person that you desire. I also offer monthly membership coaching. This is where you can get live coaching with me on a weekly basis to really stay on top of your manifestation game. And finally, I also offer one-on-one coaching to help you manifest anything that your heart desires. You can get access to any of these offerings by simply clicking the link below in the description box. Okay, let's get back to this video. Nothing can stop your manifestation. Now, I really wanted to make this video because in the comments, I have been seeing a lot of you guys complaining about your circumstances. But Priya, there's a third party. But Priya, well, what do I do if SP told me they want nothing to do with me? But Priya, what do I do if SP told me that they hate me? But Priya, what do I do if SP and me live in another country? But Priya, what do I do if SP's parents doesn't want us to be together? And here's the thing. I felt that I needed to make this video to really explain why nothing outside of you can stop your manifestation. Not one single person outside of you, or no thing, or no organization can stop your manifestation. And here's why. When you curate an affirmation that implies your end, and I'm going to simplify this. Let's say you desire commitment from your specific person. And so your affirmation is, me and my specific person are in a happy, committed relationship. Let's take another example for money as well. Let's say that you desire to have 100K in your bank account. So your affirmation is, I have 100K in my bank account. When you begin to affirm for your end and you saturate your subconscious mind with your end so that your affirmation becomes the dominant story within you, your subconscious mind must produce proof of this to you in your 3D reality. That means whatever needs to move in your 3D reality to ensure that you and your specific person are in a happy, committed relationship, that thing will be removed. So if there is a third party, the third party will be removed. If your specific person lives on the opposite side of the world to you, it doesn't matter, that will be removed. Something will happen in your 3D reality to ensure that you and your specific person live happily ever after together and that you're living in the same country. Maybe they get a job offer that they just cannot pass up. Something will happen to make sure that your end comes true. This means if SP's parents do not accept your relationship, but you've been affirming that you and SP are in a happy, committed relationships and that their parents are so happy for you, their parents will have a change of mind and a change of heart. One day they're like, we don't accept it. The next day they're like, you know what? We just want you guys to be happy and we give you our blessing. That is the way it works. Whatever it is that you are affirming, whatever stands in the way of that not being true will be removed or will change. It's the same thing for money or for anything else that you are affirming for. So let's say that you begin to affirm, I have 100K in my bank account. I have 100K in my bank account. Whatever needs to move in your 3D reality to make this true will move. Maybe you get gifted 100K. Maybe you win 100K from the lottery. Or maybe it just appears in your bank account because there's a glitch. Either way, something will happen in your 3D reality to make this true. And any obstacles, any seeming obstacles will be removed. So you don't need to worry about it. And that's why you always go to the end. The whole point of going to the end is when you're living in the end, any obstacles in your 3D reality will be removed. Or people will have a change of mind and a change of heart if it is relevant for your manifestation. So that's why nothing outside of you can stop your manifestation. If 100 people need to move, or if 1 billion people need to move to make your manifestation come true, then that is what will happen. As long as you stay faithful to your end affirmation, everything in your 3D reality will shuffle itself around you to make this affirmation that you have been affirming that implies your end true. And it's not your job to think about the how. That is the job of your subconscious mind. You just stay faithful to the end. And that's why it's so important to stay focused on the end. Because yes, the 3D will appear to have all these obstacles. Oh, SP's parents don't accept our relationship. Oh, there is a third party. Oh, me and SP live on the opposite side of the world. Oh, I am broke. Oh, I don't have a job. It doesn't matter. Because as long as you're Delulu and you live in the end and you keep your awareness on your end result, everything will be taken care of for you. Nothing can stop your manifestation. Nothing can stop your manifestation. As long as you stay focused on the end, your manifestation will come to fruition because you are the operant power of your reality. So when you stay focused on your end through affirmations or through visualizing, whatever tool it is that you're using to stay aware of your desired reality, understand that when you are focused on your desired reality, you are selecting that version of your specific person or the money or the house or whatever it is that you want from the quantum field because creation is already finished. You're not creating anything. What you desire already exists. You're simply selecting that version of reality, selecting that version of your specific person, selecting that version of you that has X amount in your bank account or that has your ideal body. You are selecting that version of reality. Therefore, nothing can stop it. Creation's already finished. You're not creating anything. So in that version of reality that you are selecting, there is no third party. Your parents love that you and your SP are together. You and SP are living in the same house. You and SP are in a happy, committed relationship. They don't live on the opposite side of the world to you in this reality. In your old reality, in the other timeline, yeah, they live in a different country, or yeah, their parents don't accept your relationship, and yeah, your SP doesn't want you, but that's in one timeline. You're now in a new timeline. So understand that when you are affirming, you're simply shifting to a new timeline that aligns with whatever it is that you are affirming. Hence, nothing and no one can stop your manifestation. And that is why your only work is to stay faithful and committed to the end. Meaning, keep your focus and your attention on your desired reality through affirmations. Keep thinking from your desired reality no matter what you are seeing in your 3D reality or no matter what you are not seeing in your 3D reality. Keep persisting because when the new story that you are telling that implies your end becomes the dominant story within you, your subconscious mind must produce proof of this to you in your 3D reality. So again, no one can stop your manifestation. Not one single thing outside of you can stop your manifestation. The only person that can stop your manifestation is you. And that's because you keep having contradictory thoughts. You keep going back and forth with your thoughts. You keep complaining, whining, bitching, complaining, or you're giving more attention and more awareness to what it is that you don't want. Maybe you keep your focus on the fact that SP hasn't messaged you yet, instead of just going to the end and keeping your focus on you and SP are in a happy, committed relationship. But again, that's on you. You're the one doing it because your subconscious mind is always proving to you your assumptions and your dominant stories. So again, no one and no thing can stop you from manifesting what you want. This is really an inner game. It's an inner battle between your old thoughts and your new thoughts, but nothing outside of you, not one single person can stop your manifestation. Once you begin to align your thoughts with your desired reality and you stay focused on that and you keep your awareness there dominantly, nothing can stop it. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for being here. I love you. I appreciate you. Have a wonderful day or a wonderful evening. Mwah.